Right guys, welcome to another Android Java tutorial using Android Studio by Android Dev. So this is Khanzada and today we are going to explore XML. We will be looking at different Android widgets. Before we proceed, I would like to request uh, all of them who are just new to our channel or who just haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button so you can see the future coming videos and so you cannot miss any of the video and you can go through the whole course. So let's start. We already have created our first app that is basically test app, and this is the Java class Java activity where we will be writing code, and this is the layout activity main where we will be doing designing stuff. So here if I switch to design view, there are different types of widgets here. So first of them is the button. Next is toggle button. Button is used for on and off purpose. Next is checkbox, we already familiar with it. Next is radio button. Radio button is for selecting a single choice. Okay, let's next talk about the spinner. Spinner is for drop down menu selection. Next is progress bar, which shows the progress for an activity or a process. Progress bar, this is circular and this one is the horizontal bar. This is the seek bar. Seek bar is used to sometime for increasing volume, etc. This is the rating bar for rating. This is the switch menu. It's just like toggle for on and off purpose. Next, here we have text view. Text view is showing just is used to show just information or any sort of text, but it is not editable. Next is plain text. We call it as added text. Here you can edit or add text to this field. You can add number or any string or any character. Next is password, added text, and next is password but type numeric, added text. And next here we have time, date. Next we have different types of layouts, linear layouts, table layout, and relative layout are most popular. All right, next we have an image button and an image view where you set an image. Okay, next we have here different kinds of time picker, date picker, calendar view, text clock, chronometer, etc. All right, next we have let's go through this map view. You can see Google Map in this view, and next we have a recycle view where you can dynamically handle different views in a layout, in a list view. It's a kind of list view. We will be looking to it in detail. Alright, so these are called different widgets, views. So anything on this screen will be called a view. A view is anything a user can see or have access on the main layout or main page. So I think you have some idea about the different Android widgets and how to drag them onto your main screen. So next we will be going through our how to create a virtual device or emulator for testing Android application. But that's all for now. Thank you.